guys, we at Veris are extremely excited and proud to share with you our latest product offering, which is called Veris Meetings, our very own meeting room manager. So, over the years of being office automation partners for hundreds of organizations across the globe and serving them with our flagship visitor management solution, we found one common pain point across all these clients which would keep cropping up, for which they would come to us to solve as their trusted partners in this space. That one key challenge was agnostic of industry and of size. Whether that be that the client is from the automation industry, automotive industry, education, real estate, whether it be size, whether they are Fortune 500, listed, unlisted, it did not matter. This challenge affected and troubled them all. That key challenge was that of easily booking, viewing and optimizing their meeting room resources. Being a customer-centric organization at its DNA, Veris decided to step up to this challenge and create a power-packed offering that would solve for major gaps that organizations felt in this space. And so, before we dug deep and deep dive into creating this offering, we decided to run our research and really map, revel in the problem statement and understand what are organizations globally facing in terms of meeting room booking. What are the key challenges here? We found three key challenges. Challenge number one was easy booking. Many times in organizations today, there are multiple portals you have to undergo so as to book even one meeting room on a daily basis, which makes this process cumbersome and tiresome, apart from wasting cost, time and energy of your employees. Challenge number two would definitely be viewing real-time status. Due to a lack of real-time communication between your softwares of meeting rooms, what ends up happening is double bookings or ghost meetings. That is, the meeting is booked but nobody attends, or the same meeting room is booked twice, leading to frustration amidst employees. Challenge number three is that of optimizing meeting room resources, which is that there is a major lack of one central board or dashboard where you can view how many meeting rooms are being utilized on a daily basis and by whom, so as to better use these resources over time. This is where Veris Meetings comes in with its three-pillar power-packed ecosystem. Pillar number one being its custom-built hardware with LED blinkers for easy viewing, also enabled with NFC and PoE for easy interaction with other devices. Pillar number two being our meeting room software, which helps you integrate with your regular daily calendar so that your employees can now book meeting rooms right from their G Suite or Outlook calendar. Finally, my personal favorite is pillar number three, which is the Veris Meetings dashboard. This dashboard gives you real-time information on the resource usage of your meeting rooms to enable better optimization over time. So without further ado, let's have you experience our product firsthand. Introducing the Veris Meeting Room Manager, which is intuitively designed, customizable and highly user-friendly. Our meeting room displays are placed outside every meeting room at the office premises. As a user, when you look at our meeting room display, you can see the organization's logo as well as a background image alongside a gradient or shading, which are all customizable according to your organization. Further, you can see the meeting room name, you can see the current status as well as the duration for this status. As we can see right now, this meeting room is available for the next 1 hour 30 minutes. You can also go ahead and see the amenities of this room, which is Wi-Fi provisioning, projector, coffee machine, whiteboard, just as you'd like it. You can also view the meeting room schedule for the next 24 hours for this particular meeting room. As you can see, there's a seminar on growth at around 9:30. There is a product roadmap discussion at 2 p.m. and onwards. You can also view what's up next for this meeting room display and this meeting room. There are two ways or modes to book a meeting room through the Veris Meeting Room Manager. Option number one is to use your regular, daily used Outlook or G Suite calendar. I can go ahead on my calendar, create an invite guests, as well as view available meeting rooms and book the right meeting room for my meeting the next day or that day itself. That instantly gets reflected on our Veris meeting rooms display as part of the schedule for the next 24 hours. Option number 2 is to interact with the display itself and book a meeting room by using our Veris meeting room display as you walk through the premises. Let's take an example. Let's say that I have to arrange an urgent 30-minute meeting with my teammates for today, and so I can go to the display, see that this meeting room is available for the next 1 hour 30 minutes, press the book room button, go ahead and book this meeting room for the next 30 minutes by inputting my details such as name and email, confirm, and as you can see, this conference room is now mine for my meeting with my teammates for the next 30 minutes. I can also go ahead and extend this meeting room booking for the next 60 minutes or any time that I may like through the toggle and confirm. And now as you can see, this meeting room has been extended to me for 90 minutes. In case my meeting is over in 40 minutes itself, I can release this meeting room by ending booking. And how this truly helps the organization is that you help in making the meeting room available for anybody else who might want to use this meeting room for their meetings. A frequent challenge that organizations today face when it comes to meetings and meeting room bookings is no-show and ghost meetings. These are meetings which are booked for a certain duration of time, but the people for this meeting do not show up and do not enter the meeting room. This leads to major resource wastage and you blocking the rooms for people who do not show up and hence cannot be used by anyone else. As you can see, our meeting room display takes into consideration this particular use case, which is called booked, which means this meeting room has been booked but is not actually in use. What our meeting room display does is it takes a buffer time from your organization, let's say 30 minutes. If within 30 minutes, this meeting room booking does not get started and people do not check in into this room, this meeting room will be shown as available and can be used by anyone else on the premises. So the start meeting or start booking feature helps extremely well in cases of avoiding ghost or no-show meetings to make these meeting rooms available for people who might need them. This also helps to understand the authentic and accurate resource usage in your organization. For how long has the meeting actually been used, apart from just giving you stats on for how many meeting rooms were booked for what duration. Introducing pillar number 3, which is the Veris Platform Admin Portal. This portal is available and accessible to both your admin teams as well as the employees at your organization. As we can see on the screen, we have visitors for visitor management, we have booking for rooms, desks, parking spaces, etc. We also have here a control center, which is basically the bird's eye view of everything that's happening at your organization across these applications and is the control and command center for your facility teams. We also have the member book as well as the ability to add more applications to this same portal, whether it be a delivery app, your gate pass app, etc. If we come to the meeting rooms here, we see that there is a comprehensive list of not just the room names, but availability, sanitization status, etc. all available on the same screen. You can actually go ahead and search the rooms while you're booking a room based on their availability status, based on their location across the complex or your office, as well as the amenities that you may require in this room. Once you select, let's say, 2 or 3 amenities that you require in this particular room, you will go ahead and see all the rooms which do have these amenities, and then you can check their status and go ahead and book the room. So let's say we want to book this room. Why don't we book this room and see what happens? Let's assume that you'd like to book room number 202 and you see that it's available. You go ahead and press the button of book this room. The first thing you'd want to do is to input the start and end time for this meeting. Once you do that, you will go ahead and enter additional details such as the meeting name, the meeting agenda or objective, as well as the attendee details. A key highlight I would like to mention here is in case you are inviting any external guests into this meeting, you can actually go ahead and pre-invite them right through the same process. So in case you're entering your attendees and you realize that you do have 1 or 2 people or more that may be external guests from the organization, from outside the organization, you go ahead and click the button of Create Invite for External Guests. The moment you click that and confirm booking, you will be taken or redirected to the Veris Visitor Management Panel, where you can simply confirm and complete this pre-invitation process in a matter of minutes. As we can see, I complete my booking from here. I then go ahead and have successfully confirmed this meeting room booking, and now the portal takes me to the Visitor Management Panel to complete the pre-invitation process for the external guests. So both the meeting room scheduling, the booking, and third, which is pre-inviting external guests, all done from the same portal under a matter of minutes. Presenting the Veris Bookings user app, an app through which you can book rooms as well as desired desks right from your personal smartphone. As you can see, you simply type the desk or the room name that you would like to book. Let's say it's room number 202. You press on the Book Now button and enter all your meeting details, such as the meeting agenda. Then you can also go ahead and input the date for that scheduled meeting through a simple and easy search and toggle bar. Then you can go ahead and select the time for the meeting as well as the duration. Let's say it's 25 minutes, and then simply confirm the booking within minutes. You can also search for a desired room or desk based on various filters such as location as well as amenities. You can also search for a desired desk that you'd like to book for a workday of yours and go ahead and book that in a similar fashion as you booked your meeting room.